In this lesson, we'll go over double stops, which means playing on more than one string at the same time. The first example of double stops are called open double stops. And since the violin is tuned in fifths, there's 3 pairs of double stops that we can play with open strings. I'll show you now. It's important to keep your bow balanced on both strings to get a good tone. Double stops are violin's version of playing chords and can be really helpful when you're accompanying someone or trying to play with harmony on your own. Another kind of double stop is when we have a finger down on one string or 2 fingers down on both strings. A common fiddle example that you'll hear with double stops sounds like this. And another common example you'll hear in classical music is more of a full chord. You can experiment with putting down different fingers and playing them against open strings, but you'll notice that intonation is really important when doing this, and just having your fingers slightly off will make the double stop sound really bad.